more. Go find them. Eli, look. They're all over. Okay, come on. Let's go find more. Look, Eli. He's like, what? Get it, get it. Get it. Now, put it in the bucket.
That's what I'm saying. You got to show him what to do.
I am showing him what to do.
Go put it in the bucket.
Eli, put it in the bucket. Put it in here. Ah! Put it in the bucket. There's more. Put it in the bucket. Get the other one. Take it out and you put it in the bucket. There's one over there, Eli.
Look, Eli, come here. Look.
One more. Put it in the bucket. Good job. Put it in the bucket. Oh, good job. Good job. Oops. No. We'll get them in a minute. Eli. Go get more. Put it in the bucket. Eli, put it in the bucket. Oh my gosh. What are you doing, crazy boy?
Eli, look at the TV. Eli, the TV.
Eli, look at the TV. The TV. Go get it. It's an egg. Go get the egg.
Go put it in the basket.
Put it in the basket. No, go get it. Go get it and put it in the basket.
Okay, Eli. Look, there's one in the clubhouse.
He sees it. Put it in. Ah, he doesn't get the concept. He started getting it.
Eli.
Maybe if I give him something. Look, they open. Put it in. Okay, you want some of what's in one? Come here. Probably lost him now. Look, Eli. There's more. There's more. Come on. Come on. Come on, silly. You want to put it in? Put it in. Thank you.
Look, Eli. On the high chair. That's mine.
You want what's in it? Here. Okay.
Is that it?
No. There's... I see two.
Okay, yeah, there's...
I see 3. 12, 15, so that means it's 5 left.
Eli, look in the corner over there. Over there.
Oh yeah, there's one over there too. There's 3 I know of.
Look, in the corner.
Go find it. put it in? You got 2!
I got 2, not you.
Like, and I was like, well, what do I do with this one? Put them in. Alright. We got 2 more, Eli. 2 left. 2 left. Where's your truck? Eli, your truck? Eli, your truck? Your truck? Yeah, an egg. Okay, go get one. You got 1 more egg left. Here. I don't know where the last one is. What?
That's good.
It said 20.
No, I see it.
You do?
Yeah. Eli, look under the couch.
Did it fall under there?
Mm-hmm. I think so. Look under the couch. Under the couch. He saw it.
Yay!
Now put it in your basket.
You did it. You put it in here?
It's time to take them out now. All right.